divide 69 by 2. So here we divide 69 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 3 means 6. On subtracting we get 0, and now this 0 is less than 2, so we bring down the number beside this 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal, so we keep here 0. So now it becomes 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 69 divided by 2 we got 34.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.